Hey, this is gonna be a tutorial video on how to edit your card like I did here. This is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. So first, of course, you do have to do exclamation mark, type in rank, and you do need me6 for it. But yeah, oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. But yeah, that's how you look at your card. Now, if you type in levels, then this will come up. So what you do is you click that link and it will take you to that page. So these are the two people that have done the commands except for me. So what you're gonna do is you go over here, as you can see, it says this. Use server rank card. Yes. You don't have to activate that. I'm just doing that to see what it does, but I believe that does ranks. So then what you do is you go down here, click edit your personal rank card. So yes, I chose red. It used to be at like a blue rank that I can choose whatever I want, but red is a nuclear apple 11. So then you can change the background thing. I put it at complete black. You need to unlock this. It will cost $4, or you can upload your own image, but it's $4. So you click save, then you go back in there, you go to visibility, and then what you have to do is you have to click that switch to turn on, then you save, because that's what happened in here. Because when I was saying, you know how to edit your card, right? Look at the previous one and look at my new one. You saw how it still was the same? Just the bar went up? That's only because of this. I didn't do that part. So, if you guys need this, you can watch it. It is just a little tutorial, but it's here to help. So, if you ever need any more tutorials, message me directly by clicking on me. Well, by clicking on me, and then there will be a thing that says message, like this. See, message me that you need a tutorial. You have to give me specific, like what you need the tutorial about, and I will give you a tutorial. This is nuclear apple. This is nuclear apple here, and I'm done with the tutorial. Hope this became into good use to you. You can use it. Bye.